How we doing, guys? Let's go over EOS. So if you guys normally watch this channel, it's just a little bit different on this video. This is what is called my wildcard pick of 2021. Really quickly to update you guys from where we're at. We just won our 74th for 74th win on this channel. That was on Matic, and that was for 5.16%. We have a 50% stop loss that is still going on Matic. So if this bad boy wants to keep flying up here, as it currently is doing right now, if this keeps going up, we're just going to keep moving our stop loss to secure more profits. Probably take about, if this keeps moving up, maybe 7, 8, 10, possibly 15% profit on that trade. So I will show you guys exactly how to get into this channel over here so you guys will never miss a trade. Honestly, we have never lost a single trade that we have put out in this channel or on this YouTube channel. Ever. It's because we have very good risk management. The indicators are amazing, and we have really good metrics. Okay, let's go over EOS. So EOS is different. EOS is my pick where I'm showing you guys all the buy limits in here, and I'll show you guys where I'm thinking this could go and the reasons of why. Real quickly, the background story on this. EOS is going to be linked to what's called the bullish exchange. Okay, you guys probably heard of blockone. I know there's a lot of articles out there that can say, blockone hasn't performed on the past promises they've made to their customers in the past. It's a scam, all this stuff, guys. Every single time I've seen some big article news come out, there's always an opposing party to say that. I'm not saying that they're wrong. Hear me clearly here, guys. I'm not saying that they're wrong about that. I'm not guaranteeing that the bullish exchange and EOS being accepted for their transactions isn't going to be a flop, or maybe it's going to be one of the best coins you will ever invest into. Because a lot of times, what I've been doing in this video is I'm comparing EOS to the BNB token, because BNB to Binance is what I believe EOS could be to the bullish exchange, because they're going to be using EOS for the transaction, just as BNB was used for the transaction fees of Binance.com. Okay, guys? So this is what I'm looking for in here, and this is what the trades that we're currently in. We're up 7.68% right now. One of the better trades we've actually taken here in the last week or so. So we got in here at $4.73. We then had another entry down here at $4.02. We all got picked up on this. Our break-even entry now is currently $4.37. And we're back to this entry here where we first got in, giving us a profit right now of 7.68%. Great. Okay, what do you guys need to do if you want to follow me on this? Now, these updates that I'm going to be doing over here, calling exits and such, they're going to be called over on the Telegram channel. So it's very important that you guys come over here and you guys get your membership over here. It's $49 a month. It gives you access to all of our buy limits, which is how we're winning all of our other trades. But EOS is not on the website. It does not have buy limits. It does not have metrics. It's called the wild card. It's different than all the other trades in here. I'm giving you guys all the buy limits transparent in here because I think it's going to be a huge winner for us. And if it's not going to be a huge winner, I'll show you guys my targets of where I'm looking to take some profit out to make some money. But here's why I mentioned this video today, is that if you guys have not watched this video yet, or you're currently following me on this channel and you want to join me on this, because I'm literally in this pretty heavily. I'll show this to you guys. My buys for EOS in here, like these are all the ones that I'm currently, these are the open orders. These are the filled orders in here for EOS, and you guys can see that I'm obviously in this trade for EOS here and EOS here. The exact, what I told you, 4.02, 4.74, and I'm looking for this to be moving up before the end of the year. Why? Because the bullish exchange is expected to be announced before the end of the year. If the proof of concept can be launched out there, people like it, the user interface is great, people start moving from Robinhood and Coinbase over to bullish, this thing could take off with that news pump. So if you guys want to get in and trade this with me, I do believe you guys can do what's called a market order right now. Let me set this whole trade up for you right now, and I'll give you guys my targets of where I think, where I'm going to be looking to exit. So here's the thing, guys. I know the trend exhaustion is sitting at the top section up here. I understand the price for swell money flow is at a high section up here. If you guys want to join me on this of where we originally called some entries here and not, I want to be careful here, not miss out on if this thing really starts pumping, then what you can do is split your entry into 4 increments. So let's say you guys have $4,000 you want to enter in EOS with. What you can do is put 25% in each of these yellow lines. The first one is not a buy limit. You guys can actually go in with a market order right now. So if you have $4,000, you can do $1,000 right now at $4.70. Great. You have something in the market in case this thing skyrockets. Guys, we only have, we only have 2 months left. Like, if this thing is going to pop off, news is going to come out, we have less than 60 days here before this happens. I think it's going to happen before Christmas, the announcements. So I think we have less than 60 days we're going to see the bullish exchange announced. If not, and this doesn't end up happening, we have very good risk management, and we're probably going to win about a 10 to 15 to 20% trade out of this at minimum, which is going to still be a fantastic trade. So if you guys have a trade allotment, let's say for $4,000, doesn't matter, split it into 4 equal increments. 25% can go at a market order. Your next 25%, it can be at this buy limit down here, 402. This is the next best buy limit at 323, and then we're down here at 252. These are very meticulously put in here. This is at the quarters theory number of 250. We're a little bit above the 250, so we can get in before bots and other retail traders. We're above the $4 psychological level, so we can get in before other retail traders and banks and institutions who like to get that flat price in here. We're a little bit higher to help us snag that. That's where I got in here and we started moving back up. Not a lot of people are going to get tagged down here because the price moves so fast. So to get in a lot of money, thousands and thousands of dollars, you need to be above these whole numbers in here of $4. Now, once you guys get in here, you can follow me on this channel and definitely follow me in the Telegram channel with the actual membership you guys have over here with Trade Confident, which is $49 a month. And then come down here, click Telegram at the bottom, and it will give you guys a hot link into the Telegram channel. Now, my exit points. Here are my two targets that I'm looking for. My first target to take 50% out of the trade is going to be when we hit up here at 633, which is structure high. That is going to be about a 44% profit on this trade. It's going to be amazing. The next target I'm definitely looking for is up here. It is not at structure high where we could arguably say this is up here above $14, and we can look at something like this. I'm not looking for something up here. I'm looking to take some profit out before we hit the huge psychological whole number of $10. It's going to put us over 100% in the profit here. This will put us about 125% in the profit. I do believe we could see this 100% increase before the end of the year with news. Now, we saw this happen over here with some other news and, just a pump in the market. It has happened very fast. We've seen 100% increases happen within, let me give you guys a date range here. If we come over here and we pull this happened, let me get a date range out with this price in here. This will make it a little bit easier here. We're going to do a date range. This is over 100%. We're going to do date and price. We take a look at this down here and we see a pump phase in here. We hit 100% profit. Gosh, it's so high up there. Let me move it over here real quick. It's like this really went over here. This hit 100, and wow, it's still up there. Sorry guys, 143% profit at this high here, and this happened in 11 days. We have 60 days left, and this could be, arguably this could be the biggest news for EOS that we have seen to date, possibly with the announcement of the bullish exchange. So when I come out with videos and I say we could see 100% increase by Christmas, this is actually proven with what we've seen in the past. So this is my official call for you guys, is that you want to be getting over here, get into the first buy limit if you guys would like with 25% of your trade, and then make sure you guys are dollar cost averaging. This is not financial advice. I want to make that very clear. I'm not licensed in my jurisdiction to give financial advice. None of that. Please consult a financial advisor before you get into this. This is what I'm doing. I believe this is going to be a very successful trade, and we have never lost a trade on this channel using this type of trading. Guys, at minimum, we are up over 7% right now, so we are at least going to probably come out with a nice winner, even if this thing doesn't, come to fruition as some people may think or not think that it's going to come, okay? Let's take a look at this. Let me pull this out over here. Where is this guy? Let me get, sorry guys, let me get this back on the chart over here. I want to pull this over here so we can actually show this to you. It's over here. It looks a little bit different. Price range, we want to go from the entry where we got tagged in to give us an accurate representation of where we're currently at 7.37%. So make sure you guys are watching that. I know the trend exhaustion is high up here. The well money flow is high. And yes, this historically does look to be correlating to drops back down in the market, which we do see this a lot. I'm going to be using this once we start push up into higher prices here. If we start seeing the move to the top section with these indicators, I am going to be looking to take some profit up here to let you guys know. It might be 25 to 50%. If this thing starts skyrocketing up, we can simply just buy the drop back down here and then ride it back up here. Does that make sense? So I'm not looking to hold this for like 10 to 15 years. I'm looking to actually get in here, take some profit, buy the higher lows, and keep trading this and make compound interest time and time again on this. So that's my call there. So again, I know this is at a high section here and we could see the price dip back down, but there's a lot of pressure building in the market right now. If you guys watch the Dogecoin video and you guys watch Solana video, that we could see prices starting to move a little bit higher, a little bit lower. It's hard to tell. It's hard to tell with the pressure right now, and I'll cover more of this on the Bitcoin and Ethereum videos. But the point of this video right now is I believe it's good to get something in the market so you guys have some skin in the game. It's not like you're FOMOing into top prices here, guys. Like, look at where we're coming from. Like, this is the drop of where EOS has been and where it's at right now. This is definitely buying on discount, and it's not a bad idea to get into this market right now, but make sure you guys have your dollar cost average entries spread out. Okay, guys? All right, that's a full update on EOS. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email me, but this is so simple. 4 buy limits. Get in here. I will keep you guys updated on YouTube as well as in the Telegram channel. So make sure you guys do have your membership over here. This is how we are winning all the trades and all the other buy limits for all the other trades that we are taking to literally go 74 for 74. This is not counting EOS, guys. All of these 74 wins were coming from this channel right over here on tradeconfident.io and also on the Telegram channel. So make sure you guys have your buy limit set up this week. We are going to try to go 80 for 80 wins by the end of November. All right, guys, God bless you. Have an amazing day. Make sure you guys get the indicators. They are in the description. They're over here. Make sure you guys at minimum get the price versus the well money flow, the trend dashboard, as well as the trend exhaustion. I just showed you guys the pressure gauge on some videos. The bundle pack is the absolute best deal. This is now 82% off, guys. This is like a month-long Black Friday sale. So if you guys want this, this is the best thing to get. It will give you all these indicators plus 4 more on top of this, and you guys can use them all for stocks, cryptos, and Forex. So I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Let's make some more profits. I'll keep the videos coming. I would hop into EOS just in case it explodes, just like BNB did with Binance when that got adopted. And I would get in here now just in case this is one of the biggest runners we see here. God bless you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.